पहिली विथ HCl पाहिलं आपण, आता दुसरी पाहू विथ HBr, that is hydrobromic acid. Hydrobromic acid. Now this hydrobromic acid, for this hydrobromic acid, the constant heating or boiling in this reaction, the theory is constant boiling of hydrobromic acid, that is HBr. Hydrobromic acid याला काय म्हणायचं, HBr. The constant boiling, याला boil करायचं. Constant boiling of hydrobromic acid is used for the preparation of hydrobromic acid is used now. It is used for the preparation of alkyl bromides. आता याच्यापासून काय तयार होतील, alkyl bromides. Used for the preparation of now alkyl bromide. अल्काइल क्लोराइड तयार केलं होतं आपण, आता काय तयार करायला आपण, अल्काइल ब्रोमाइड्स. तर या रिएक्शन मध्ये अल्काइल ब्रोमाइड भेटतील आपल्याला. प्रायमरी अल्काइल ब्रोमाइड इज फॉर्म्ड ओनली इन द रिएक्शन with what, sodium bromide and concentrated H2SO4. The primary alkyl bromides, this is the alkyl bromide, but only if we have to prepare primary alkyl bromide. The primary alkyl bromide is prepared or formed. This is the preparation of what, alkyl bromide. So the primary alkyl bromide is primary alcohol पासून तयार होईल. Okay, HBr is used in the preparation of what, alkyl bromide with कोणासोबत आहे, alcohol. With alcohol. Okay. Now the primary alkyl bromide is formed by the reaction of sodium bromide, NaBr, sodium bromide and that is concentrated H2SO4. Sodium bromide आणि concentrated H2SO4 पासून primary alkyl bromide form होतो. The primary alkyl bromide is formed by the reaction of NaBr and concentrated H2SO4, which generates these two generates what they generates? They generates HBr, NaBr and this H2SO4. It forms HBr. For primary alkyl bromide we have to use this NaBr and conc H2SO4 we can use. Okay, but constant boiling of HBr gives alkyl bromides. In general reaction we will see the general reaction. Just we have seen the general reaction that what it was, R bond OH plus on treatment with what, HBr, in presence of what, in presence of NaBr. Now it is in presence of NaBr and what, H2SO4. NaBr and concentrated H2SO4. What it forms now? It will form alkyl bromide. It is called as RBr. R bond Br. R bond Br हे फॉर्म होईल आणि बाय प्रोडक्ट काय निघेल, H2O will be the byproduct. This ROH means what, alkyl bromide with कोणासोबत आहे, अल्कोहोल. हे ROH म्हणजेच काय आहे आता, अल्कोहोल. इट इज अल्कोहोल. नाउ RBr म्हणजेच काय आहे आता, RBr means alkyl bromide. It is formed alkyl bromide. So in this reaction from alcohol we have formed alkyl bromide. Okay, but in presence of what, NaBr and H2SO4. We'll see the examples of this reaction. या reaction चे आता आपण examples पाहू. For primary, secondary and tertiary, all these three examples. Now in which the first one we will see, that is the primary alcohol. It is called as primary. 1 degree म्हणजे काय म्हणाला, primary alcohol. Any primary alcohol, if we take C2H5OH on treatment with what, HBr, in presence of कोणाच्या प्रेझेन्स मध्ये करायची आहे रिएक्शन, NaBr. In presence of what we have to take, NaBr and H2SO4. इथाइल अल्कोहोल हे घेतलं आपण HBr same to same HBr. In presence of what? NaBr and H2SO4. H2SO4 should be concentrated. So what it form now? C2H5Br. It will form C2H5Br plus byproduct will be the H2O. What is the name of this compound? It is ethyl alcohol. From this ethyl alcohol we have formed, it is called as ethyl bromide. याला म्हणूया आपण काय म्हणूया? ethyl bromide. Okay, this is example of primary alcohol. हे झालं कोणा झालं आता? For primary alcohols. We'll see for secondary alcohols. The second examples are going on. For secondary, this is the secondary alcohol. आता secondary alcohol आपण एक पाहू isopropyl alcohol. That is CH3H bond OH. It is called as what? Isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol on treatment with what? HBr. Okay. For primary alcohol only we have to take this. For secondary and tertiary alcohol there is no need. There is only what? Constant boiling of HBr. So only constant if we boil it. Okay. So it forms the byproduct. It will give CH3C, CH3 and this is again what? H and this is Br. आता काय तयार होईल? Br. Br म्हणजे काय? ब्रोमाइड. OH च्या ठिकाणी कोण येईल? Br. बाय प्रोडक्ट काय निघून जातो? H2O. The same byproduct H2. What is the name? It is isopropyl alcohol आहे. तर याचं नाव काय होईल आता? Isopropyl bromide. It is called as isopropyl bromide. The byproduct is what? H2. Now we'll see the third example, that is of tertiary alcohols. Tert. It is called as what? Tert alcohol. Again for primary alcohol only. Primary alkyl bromide is formed by reaction of NaBr and H2SO4. Now for tertiary alcohols, if we take the example tert butyl alcohol, that is CH3 and this is also what? CH3 हा सुद्धा काय असेल? CH3 आणि काय? OH plus on treatment with HBr. Okay, only just heating. So it reacts. What it forms? It forms CH3 bond. This primary alcohol is also heating. Primary alcohol ला सुद्धा काय करावं लागणार आपल्याला? heating करावं लागणार. So it forms CH3 bond OH. The byproduct will be H2. This will be formed now. काय तयार होईल आता इथं? OH is removed by Br. OH रिमूव्ह होणार कोणाने? Br ने रिमूव्ह होणार. तर हा याचं नाव आहे tert butyl alcohol. You know that it is tert butyl alcohol. tert butyl alcohol पासून हा तयार झाला. काय तयार झाला? tert butyl bromide. It is called as tert butyl bromide. So in this way, from tert butyl alcohol to tert butyl bromide we have formed. Okay. So all these are the examples of this reaction with HBr. हे तिन्ही example, पहिला पाहिला आपण कोणता? प्रायमरी, दुसरा पाहिला आहे कोणता? सेकंडरी, तिसरा पाहिलेला आहे कोणता? टर्शरी अल्कोहोल्स. तर विथ HBr आणि हायड्रोब्रोमिक ऍसिड सोबत रिएक्शन आहे. हायड्रोब्रोमिक ऍसिड means what? HBr. Hydrobromic acid means what? HBr. Okay. Constant boiling of HBr. HBr ची constant boiling करायची आपल्याला. constant boiling, that is the boiling. Heating means boiling. The constant boiling of HBr is used for the preparation of alkyl bromides. These are formed alkyl bromides. Preparation of alkyl bromides. Alkyl bromides कशापासून तयार झाले? From alcohol. This is only alkyl bromides. Okay. Alkyl bromides from what? Alcohol. Alkyl bromide is formed from what? Alcohols. Okay. Now, primary alkyl bromide is formed by the reaction of NaBr and H2SO4. Primary alkyl bromide. हे primary alkyl bromide तयार झाले. Reaction of कोणाची आणि कोणाची केली आपण? NaBr and H2SO4. NaBr and H2SO4. It generate HBr. NaBr आणि H2SO4 या दोघांपासून काय तयार होत असतो? HBr तयार होत असतो. हे जे दोन आपण इथे यूज करायलो, NaBr आणि काय? H2SO4. These two, NaBr and H2SO4 generates HBr. So in this way, this is the general reaction. This reaction is what? General reaction. या जनरल रिएक्शन पासून आपण हे दोन एग्जांपल पाहिले. अल्काइल ब्रोमाइड general reaction. These are the examples. Examples are 3 examples we have seen. This is the primary alcohol, this is secondary, आणि हा कोणता आहे? tertiary alcohol. कारण ब्यूटाइल अल्कोहोल पासून काय तयार होईल? ब्रोमाइड. So all these are formed bromides, bromides, bromides. We have taken alcohol, alcohol, alcohol. All these are HBr on treatment with HBr, HBr, HBr. What is HBr? It is called as hydrobromic acid. Okay. Now HI we will see later on.